Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo, and this is July last week reading. So let's see your person current feelings. Virgo, this side your person current feelings. And your current feelings. So let's see your person current feelings first. Seven of Swords, the Fool, Two of Pentacles, and Four of Cups. And your feelings towards this person: Queen of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Ten of Wands, and Wheel of Fortune. Your person feelings towards this connection, I think your person right now juggling, and there is some sneaky energy, manipulation is also there. I think they are feeling for the missed opportunity with you. They want new beginning with you. Definitely they want to take risk and they want to take leap of faith. Now Seven of Swords, sneaky energy, Two of Pentacles. So they are struggling between two things, you and their career, whatever you are, their financial, and Four of Cups. Definitely they want to offer this cup of love even if you rejected, because in past they missed the opportunity with you, but right now they want a new beginning with you. And your feelings towards their connection is, I think communication is happening between both of you right now, or it is going to be happen in near future. I think at some point in your connection, in this connection, you feel exhausted. Ten of Wands. I think you only take this stress, all the stress over this connection. I think you only take the responsibility in this connection. I am getting, I think you hold your coin back, but things are turning in your favor, definitely Virgo, because Wheel of Fortune is here. I think someone new also approaching you here, offer with Page of Cups. So I think you are holding your coin back, but they want a new beginning with you, because you are feeling very exhausted in this connection. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Five of Swords, yes, fighting some. Seven of Wands, yes, I think you want to give up on this connection. You don't want to fight for this connection. I think it's you, Virgo, but your person don't give up on this connection, even there are obstacles. So I think for some there is new love coming to you, but your person don't let you go because they want a new beginning with you. And your person could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag, or water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign. It could be any sign. So let's see some more information from your side, Virgo. Control, King of Swords. Sorry for the inconvenience. And their side, success. Yes, I think there are some controlling issues. You King of Swords means you already decided, you cut them off. You are very straightforward. You don't want to take this burden anymore. You already decided, but they want success with you. So outcome, wow, the Fool again. I think for some there is new beginning between both of you. For some there is new love coming. The Fool is new. So though it's up to you, Virgo. Past person is also approaching you. New love is also coming. It's up to you who want to choose, because there is a new beginning also with past person, and new person is also coming, I'm saying. So it's up to you. Definitely new beginnings are there with past person or also with new person. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.